नमस्कार साथियों, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल के ऊपर। आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे फॉरेस्ट्री और फॉरेस्ट्री से आए हुए क्वेश्चंस की। हम इस चीज़ को भी पता करेंगे कि कौन सा टॉपिक इम्पोर्टेंट है और कहाँ से एग्जामिनर क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है। अक्सर जो फॉरेस्ट्री एक अलाइड और माइनर सब्जेक्ट है और जब हम इसकी ग्रेजुएशन सब्जेक्ट्स के अंदर देखते हैं तो वह इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं होती है। बट जब हम कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के अंदर आते हैं और मेनली बैंकिंग और सेंट्रल लेवल एग्ज़ाम्स, जहाँ पर हम बात करें नाबार्ड की, आरआरबी एसओ की या आईबीपीएस एएफओ की, इन तीनों ही एग्ज़ाम्स में फॉरेस्ट्री से क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। कभी 1 क्वेश्चन या मैक्सिमम 4 क्वेश्चन भी देखने को मिलते हैं। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस फॉरेस्ट्री से देखने को मिलते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन दे रखा है एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री से, बोल रहा है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिस्टम ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इज मैनेज फॉर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द वुड एंड रियरिंग ऑफ द एनिमल इन द एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री। तो यहाँ पर 4 ऑप्शन दे रखा है और पहला है कि सबसे पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट कहा जाता है सिल्वी कल्चर। तो वह सिल्वी तो कंपोनेंट होना ही होना चाहिए। दूसरा यहाँ पर दूसरा कंपोनेंट दे रखा है रियरिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स। रियरिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स रिलेटेड है पास्चर कल्टीवेशन से, तो पास्चर वाला कंपोनेंट भी होना चाहिए। तो यहाँ पर पहला ऑप्शन है एग्री सिल्वी सिस्टम, दूसरा एग्री होर्टी सिल्वी कल्चर एंड थर्ड है सिल्वी पास्चर, जो कि हमारा करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा कौन सा, सिल्वी पास्चर सिस्टम। अब बात करें एग्री सिल्वी कल्चर, तो यहाँ पर क्या है कि एग्रीकल्चर क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करवाया जाता है विद दैट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट्री, उसे कहा जाता है एग्री सिल्वीकल्चर। एग्रीकल्चर क्रॉप्स प्लस में फॉरेस्ट क्रॉप्स। अगला ऑप्शन है कि सिल्वो पेस्टोरल सिस्टम, जब फॉरेस्ट को मैनेज किया जाता है फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द वुड एंड एज वेल एज फॉर द रियरिंग ऑफ द डोमेस्टिकेटेड एनिमल्स। तीसरा ऑप्शन है कि इसी को सिल्वीकल्चर या पास्चर मैनेजमेंट भी बोलते हैं। थर्ड ऑप्शन है एग्रो स्लाइवो पेस्टोरल सिस्टम, जहाँ एग्रीकल्चर एक कंपोनेंट के साथ साथ फॉरेस्ट क्रॉप और पेस्चर मैनेजमेंट किया जाता है। एक्वाकल्चर रिलेटेड है फिश फार्मिंग से और एक्वाकल्चर रिलेटेड है ब्लू रिवोल्यूशन से, तो वो एक इम्पोर्टेंट कंपोनेंट हो जाता है। अगला क्वेश्चन है कि एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री द नेगेटिव टाइप ऑफ इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन द ट्रीज एंड द क्रॉप कंपोनेंट इज नोन एज। नेगेटिव कंपोनेंट कहने का मतलब ये है कि सपोज कंपोनेंट एक्स having the negative effect on the component y, means if the component x the productivity or yield is increased, the yield of the y will be decreased. So यहाँ पर कौन सा करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा, द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज कंपटीशन। ए ऑप्शन इज राइट हेयर। अगले क्वेश्चन के ऊपर चलते हैं। अगला क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि सिस्टम इन विच एग्रीकल्चर क्रॉप्स ट्रीज एंड फॉरेस्ट फ्रूट ट्रीज और ऑर्नामेंटल ट्रीज आर ग्रोन टुगेदर। तो इसके अंदर क्या है, सबसे पहले मैंने बात करी एग्रीकल्चर क्रॉप्स, तो मीन्स एग्री ट्रीज एंड फ्रूट ट्रीज। ट्रीज का तो यहाँ पर कौन सा आ जाएगा, सिल्वी विच दैट ऑफ द फ्रूट ट्रीज एंड ऑर्नामेंटल ट्रीज। ये हॉर्टिकल्चर के कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, तो एग्री सिल्वी हॉर्टिकल्चर सिस्टम, सेकंड ऑप्शन विल बी करेक्ट ऑप्शन। What is the type of social forestry in which government and non-government forest are cultivated by the people to harvest the benefit? ऐसा कौन सा फॉरेस्ट सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री सिस्टम है। सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री का सिंपल सा मीनिंग ये है, द पीपल्स कम टुगेदर, दे वर्क टुगेदर। सो हियर द सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री, जहाँ पर गवर्नमेंट और नॉन गवर्नमेंट जो फॉरेस्ट है उनको कल्टिवेट किया जाता है फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ पीपल्स, तो वो देखने को मिलता है कहाँ पर, कम्युनिटी फॉरेस्ट्री के अंदर। तो तीन ऑप्शन यहाँ पर दे रखे, एक्सटेंशन फॉरेस्ट्री, फार्म फॉरेस्ट्री और एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री। सबसे पहले मैं बात करूंगा एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री। एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री एक सस्टेनेबल लैंड यूज सिस्टम है, जहाँ पर रिसोर्सेज को ऑप्टिमाइज करके विद दैट ऑफ द इंट्रैक्शन, पॉजिटिव इंट्रैक्शन, और जो नेगेटिव इंट्रैक्शन है उसको कम करना, और जो पॉजिटिव इंट्रैक्शन है उसको इंक्रीज करना, सो दैट द क्रॉप्स ट्रीज और लाइफ स्टॉक ये तीनों मिलकर हाईएस्ट इल्ड प्रोवाइड करवाए। ठीक है, एक पार्टिकुलर लैंड एरिया के ऊपर, उसे एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री कहा जाता है। अगला है फार्म फॉरेस्ट्री। फार्म फॉरेस्ट्री क्या है, इट इज रिलेटेड टू योर फार्म। जैसे आपका फार्म है, उसके इन और अराउंड, उसके अंदर या उसके चारों तरफ ये जो ट्रीज कंपोनेंट है विद विद दैट ऑफ द अदर फार्म ऑपरेशंस, उसे कहता है फार्म फॉरेस्ट्री। और एक्सटेंशन फॉरेस्ट्री क्या कहा जाता है, एक्सटेंशन मीन एक्स मीन आउट, स्क्रैच मीन दैट इज आउटसाइड। ओके, तो एरिया दैट इज डिवॉइड ऑफ द ट्रीज एंड वेजिटेशन, जहाँ पर ट्रीज और वेजिटेशन नहीं है उस प्लेस के ऊपर, मीन्स आउट ऑफ द कन्वेंशनल फॉरेस्ट एरिया, वहाँ पर जाके ट्रीज का ग्रो करना उसे कहते हैं एक्सटेंशन फॉरेस्ट्री। अगला क्वेश्चन है कि ज्वाइंट फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कंसेप्ट वाज फर्स्ट इम्प्लीमेंटेड। फर्स्ट वी हैव टू बी अंडरस्टैंड what we understand by the joint forest management. Joint forest management is a collective or collaborative approach between the government and local villagers of raising the forest trees. Okay, तो यहाँ पर एक सबसे पहले स्टार्ट कब हुआ था? दैट विल बी स्टार्टिंग एट द आरबारी, वेस्ट बंगाल। अगला क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछा कि व्हाट इज द बॉटनिकल नेम ऑफ द साल। whenever we you going to study the forestry section, so you should focus on these like agroforestry part, why the tongia system and the different type of forestry and the forest division, their classification and the scientific name, botanical name and economic importance of that plants. So here are the in A42 2022 they are asked about the botanical name of the sal. So the correct option is Soria robusta. ओके, अगला क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि ट्रीज सर्व्स दैट आर ग्रो वेयर रिवर मीट द सी, तो दैट एरिया इज मैंग्रोव, बट वी हैव टू बी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द प्रोटेक्टिव फॉरेस्ट्री, व्हाट रिक्रिएशनल फॉरेस्ट्री एंड सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री। प्रोटेक्टिव फॉरेस्ट्री that is protected under the forest Indian Forest Act 1927. It means the area that is covered with wood growth and managed primarily to regulate the stream flow, prevent erosion, hold shifting sand, or exert any other beneficial influence. Social forestry means forestry outside the conventional area, which primarily aim at providing continuous flow of the goods for the benefit of the farmers, for benefit of the peoples. Recreational forestry to meet the recreational needs. Okay, तो उसे कहते हैं recreational forestry. अगला क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि the tree crop combined with livestock, poultry, fish culture, you can easily understand that here the word is farmers daily need is coming. So the correct option here is going homestead agroforestry, because whenever we go with that first option agri silviculture, so agri means the growing of the crops and silviculture means the raising of the trees. So correct option here is not including the poultry and fish culture. Agroforestry also it is not meant for the daily needs. Again the agroforestry, agri horticulture, that is also not suitable answer. Here are giving some explanation like silviculture, what you understand by mensuration and agroforestry. I already discussed in the mensuration about agroforestry, the integration of forest into agriculture system in order to optimize the production. The aim is to optimize the production and increase the positive effect of the system and minimize the negative side effect of the farming. Mensuration deal with the measurement. Next question, the type of forest which is typically found in the nature grows from seed or can be copies. The forests are classified on the basis of regeneration, the high forest and coppice forest. The high forest are those forests that are grow from the seeds, while that coppice forest are those forests which are grow from the vegetative means, the vegetative parts. So right option is here the high class forest. Pollarding is a kind of pruning. Pruning means judicious removal of the plant's parts to enhance the plant growth or to put better quality and quantity. To maintain their quality, the pruning is done. Here the pollarding means upper branches को remove करना so that the foliage or head portion will be vigorous growth. Growing trees, crops, pasture, animal. Again the question is very much easy. Trees mean sylvie, crops mean agri, pasture you can pastoral system. So yeah, what the option is agri silvo pastoral, one of first option is correct here. Again the growing trees serves for the aesthetic or shady decorative purpose, scientifically called as we called is arboriculture, because the viticulture is the growing and cultivation of the grapes. Agri silviculture it means the component of the agriculture crops with that of the forest crops. Silviculture, it's the scientific management of the forest, that will be silviculture. Whereas terms are asked from the like viticulture, like the cultivation of the grapes, silviculture, the forest management, apiculture. So these are the important terms we have to be understand by their means also. Next question which is asked, which of the following wood is used making for the plywood timber, that asked in the 2018, and teak is the correct answer, and is known as the king of timber, as its botanical name is Tectona grandis. Babul Acacia nilotica is a tree of colonizer and nitrogen fixer. Again, the eucalyptus sandalwood. So I already told you, whenever you come across to study the forestry portion, the classification is very much important. Then the agroforestry is part, and wherever you go for the shifting cultivation is also an important component, and various component and relations with other components like that of the aquaculture, where there is the protein culture gene. So and some botanical important plants are very much important. In which form of the cutting all branches of further crops cut? It is simply, you understand, there are three terms: copicing, pollarding and looping. So here comes the looping. The practice of forestry for raising the further grass with that scattered further trees, fruit trees and few trees. Here the mixed forestry, and mixed forestry you should have one component at least more than 10%. Or the farm forestry, I already discussed about the farm forestry in or around the farms with that of the farm operations. Okay. Shelter belt, it means like belt of trees. Here the shelter belt. And aesthetic forestry means the forestry means to like decorative purpose, which we call it aesthetic forestry. Shelter belt means belt of trees and stuff that reduce wind velocity. Here the both a component of like living and non-living will be included here. But where we come across the wind breaks, that will also reduce the speed of the wind, but there is only living component is included. The famous Chipko moment is associated with, everyone know about it, SL Bagona. Again, the botanical name of sandalwood is asked, and I already discussed it about Sanitellum album. Again, already I discussed about the removal of trunk leaving 30 centimeter stump alone such much vigorous from it in 6 months only. Only 2 to 3 shoots are viable to stump and rest ones are thinned out, which pruning technique means copicing. Again, the question come from the agroforestry. The question is saying the a system in which suitable trees are planted around the fish pond with the prime objective of reducing the evaporation and augmenting microclimate. So here the fish component, which fish component is equivalent? The aquaculture is the fish component, and in which option you are checking the aquaculture? The option 1 is correct here. So first thing you have to be notice before analyzing the papers, the questions that are asked in the agroforestry is far more than the other component. Another component is important here, that of the classification part of the forestry, that are also important. Forestry of the practice of forestry for raising the further grass with that of scattered further trees, fruit trees and few trees suitable. And the same question asked in the IBPS AFO, and that same question, repeated question asked in the RRB SO, you can easily understand it goes to mixed forestry. In this system, various woody hedges, especially fast growing or copicing further shrubs or trees, are planted for the purpose of browsing, mulch, green manure, soil conservation. That will be what we call that woody hedgerow. Pesticidal property of neem is due to which of the following content? Like it is also an important component, important plant. So we can understand the aza dichitin is an important component here. Forest Survey of India's headquarters is located at, it is located at the Dehradun, and report is released in every 2 years. That option means option 3 will be going right here. Tongya system is followed in area having rainfall of, that will be having 1200 to 2500 rainfall. That correct option is 1 here. In southern India, this system is known as Kumeri, and Tungya means hill ya cultivation. Okay, this system is introduced in India by the British in 1890, and first Tungya plantation was raised in 1896 in the North Bengal. Built more stick is tool used in, that is in use in forestry. Okay, again the homestead agroforestry is a common age old practice in, it is old age common practice is in the Assam. Homestead agroforestry, because there are tea plantation is there. Next question they are asking, the toxic principle which is detrimental to animal health found in Leucocina, Leucocephala subabul. That is the component is mimosine. Okay, I already discussed the botanical plant is very much important, and their economic importance is also much important. And what kind of alkaloid is found there, it also very much important. Like for perfume, the chapa, hand paper, that drumstick, moringa, oleifera, matchstick, that simmal, bombax, siba. Windbreaks are planted in which direction? So it's very good import, very much important. That will be planted in the northwest direction. Okay. Protected forest declared under the Forest Act of, that is 1927. We already discussed about it. Next question. As per the India's State Forest Report 2021, which of the following state has registered maximum increase in the forest cover during the last 2 years? So this Indian State Forest Report 2022 is released every 2 years. It is released in 2021, and again it will release in 2023. So it will be going to be very important component in coming exams. So Kerala is important component here. When I come across with homestead agroforestry, which also known as multi-tier or multi-layer farming, that will be practiced in the Kerala and also in Tamil Nadu regions. Social forestry scheme promote, that will promote the plantation of firewood yielding trees. Which of the following forest is called as monsoon forest? So like rainforest, equatorial forest, deciduous forest. The correct option is here, deciduous forest. So before ending this video, I will like tell you which component and which part is important. First go through the classification of forest, later on go through the agroforestry parts, then shifting cultivation, and there are special terms are there given like special practices and their interaction with other crops. And then go to the economic importance of the botanical plants. There are many plants are there like kher, there are the timber, there are simbabal, babul. So go through that topics, and that much is enough for the competitive exams of the forestry section. Thank you so much. I hope you understand and it's valuable for you all. Thank you so much.